Hey, welcome back. Today I'd like to talk to you about whether or not you can negotiate with an insurance company directly after a car crash. So can you? Absolutely. You can demand that an insurance company pay you after someone else has caused your damages for damages like wage loss, for damages to your car, medical bills, and pain and suffering, and other damages. Now, typically, an insurance company is going to want you to sign a medical release and a medical authorization to get your health information, which is typically private. So they'll be getting stuff related to the car crash to see what your damages are. They'll get your medical records and bills, but sometimes they can get stuff that's not related. So I don't typically recommend that. Instead, I think you should get your own medical records, your own medical bills, that are all related to the car crash. Make sure that stuff that's not related doesn't go with that. Send that over to the insurance company and then negotiate your bodily injury claim. So sometimes you might not reach an agreement with an insurance company. Maybe your offer is up here and maybe the insurance company's is down here. Sometimes you never reach the middle ground. And that's okay. Some insurance companies actually won't make you a reasonable offer. Sometimes you'll need an attorney from the get-go because some insurance companies are just that way. You just have to sue them. I'm not going to name names in this video. If you want to call me, I'm happy to talk to you about it though. But if you can't reach a middle ground, if you can't reach an agreement with an insurance company, it's also a great idea, even if it is a good insurance company, to get the advice of an attorney. Is it a fair offer? Or, am I way off base? Now, if you just need an attorney to go ahead and sue the insurance company to get you some fair compensation, that's okay. That's what attorneys are there for. And most of them will offer you free consultations. In fact, we do. If you're in southeastern Washington, you can give us a call at 509-380-9999. And again, can you negotiate directly with an insurance company after a car crash? Yeah, you can. In fact, even if you end up negotiating up to a certain point, it doesn't mean that an attorney has to start at that point. In fact, they'll probably start with a completely different figure than where you wound up at, and that's okay. Again, I urge you to call an attorney, get a free consultation. You can negotiate if you want to, but it's not always a good idea. And try to limit what information you give them, especially when it comes to your very private medical information. Anyway, that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to call my office and feel free to subscribe. Thanks.